Hello friends, welcome back. This is a continuation video of part 1 of the 5-part video series of structure of adrenal gland. In this second part, I am showing cut section of the adrenal gland. The model here demonstrates the enlarged adrenal tissue architecture which is not visible to naked eye but is easily seen in a microscope. This is a cut section of the adrenal medulla, the inner part of the gland. The chromaffin cells of the adrenal medulla are the body's main source of catecholamines such as adrenaline and noradrenaline. Approximately 20% of noradrenaline, also called norepinephrine, and 80% adrenaline, also called epinephrine, are secreted here. Now we see cut section of the cortex. It is divided into three separate zones, that is zona glomerulosa, zona fasciculata, and zona reticularis. Each zone is responsible for producing specific hormones. Zona glomerulosa is the outermost layer of the adrenal cortex. It lies immediately under the fibrous capsule of the gland, and the cells in this layer form oval groups. This layer is the main site for production of aldosterone, a mineralocorticoid. Aldosterone regulates body's salt balance and blood volume, thus playing an important role in the long-term regulation of blood pressure. In the next video, that is part 3 of the series, you will learn about next layer, that is zona fasciculata.